Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender for Smoothies with Wave is designed for handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, with 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel Ice Sabre blades. This matters most when evaluating the listed motor, container, blade, and preset arrangement. It also states, ultra-smooth results with patented wave action, system, as you blend. Use that detail to judge whether the included capacity matches normal batch sizes, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, check dishwasher guidance, blade handling, cabinet clearance, and how many pieces need cleaning. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that high-power blenders can be loud, and a large pitcher is less convenient for small servings or storage. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender. Overall, Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender for Smoothies with Wave best fits shoppers focused on handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base whose setup matches the supported facts.